Spicy and aromatic, the peppercorns are just perfect spice to flavor any recipes. From traditional curries to soup and salads, the fresh ground pepper powder adds the fiery and pungent taste to every dish. Hello everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food, the food goodies, and today I'm going to share the health benefits of black peppercorns. So here are 15 reasons why you should complete your recipe with a little bit of freshly ground black pepper powder. The black peppercorns are known to increase the nutrient absorption in our body. They also help to improve the digestion and stimulates the appetite. A few studies show it also facilitates weight loss and helps to relieve gas and bloating in the stomach. The black peppercorns helps to clear the nasal congestion, and different kind of peppercorns also help to combat arthritis. They are known to treat teeth and gums problem and helps to relieve cough and the common cold. The black pepper contains antibacterial and antioxidant properties which helps to keep us disease free. They also help to relieve from the joint pain, promotes urination and sweating, and are considered as a natural antidepressants. They also help to prevent formation of new fat cells and prevents cancer and other chronic diseases. So thank you so much for watching All Lite Food. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. For health related articles, everyday recipes, food remedies and food goodies, do visit my blog at www.alllitefood.com, and you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.